Hey guys, new video for you. Today we're going to be looking at a relatively, known opener. Nothing too special. Come over here and see the wall button. Looks usual. A little bit something different though. You might realize it in a second. Come over here. Come up. And boom. Older style Sears Best logo. What could that mean? Got our new opener. Oh, I did. And you're gonna like what came with it. So, I'll have to take a quick trip downstairs into my bedroom, where most things are. Come over here, turn on the light, and brand new in the box. 13953-500. What's nice is that it came with a brand new T-rail. Only thing that did suck about this is that for some reason, and I don't know how this could be possible because it was unopened, is I was missing the older style release rope and the older style, style information tag, which really sucked because I was pissed and I wanted that. Anyway, we'll do an opening with the brand new 13953-708. With FCC label. Beautiful as always. So I'll come over here, run it, and it's loud just because of the front decal. If I go over here and push on it, it stops. And if you watch me do this, you wonder, how can I turn off the light where older style dip switch ones, you can't? Well, I put a yellow learn button on there because I needed to use this. And you've seen this before. So I'll go to closing and then I'll talk for a couple more minutes. Oh, never mind. I was going to say the tighter chain really reduced the bouncing, but that was the first time it bounced in a while. Okay, so I was going to say the next couple of days I'm going to be getting something and you guys are going to love it. Nick's Garage Door showed one, LiftMaster Door Guy showed one, Garage Door Man 89 showed one, and I'm pretty sure Matt has this one too. And you guys are going to love it. So look for that in the coming days, and look for this to be used soon because I know what's wrong with it now. And the new video that's going to be up, I'm going to say I'll have it up by Saturday. Maybe not Saturday. Might be even next week. I'll start it right here. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, new video for you today. As you can see, this door, nothing attached to it. What did I do? Ooh, new garage door opener with that Stanley that was in here. This is across the street from my grandma's house right now. As you can see, we have a Stanley 1/3. Sorry, that's the fan going for the fireplace, but that's the deluxe 1/3 horsepower. Nice door, reinforced. Yep, we got a 1050 remote right here. Newer ones, obviously. And the door, it's not too loud, not too bad. It took us actually a while to install because we had some problems getting the old one out. But here we go. We'll go for a closing. Chain's a little bit loose, but like every Stanley, better left that way. There we go. Pretty good. We got the easy torsion system, which, it's not good, but it's okay. We're putting in the next one tomorrow. As you can see, nothing goes on here. The light doesn't come on here. We'll do it from the wall button this time. And here we go. The chain does make a little bit of extra noise for some reason, but it's good. And there we go, guys. There's your video. The Stanley 1/3 Deluxe, 1/3 horsepower Deluxe. And the door itself. There you go, guys. Have a good one.